G'day guys, my name's Dominic Lysatis and I'm here today to talk to you about becoming a photographic assistant. I've been a photographic assistant here in Sydney for about 8 years now, and I feel like it is the best way to gain experience in the industry to develop your photographic skills. I often get asked how I started in the industry. So about 8 years ago, I was a plucky young 16-year-old and really wanted to get my grips into the photographic industry. What I did is, we didn't have Instagram back then, so I contacted all of the photographers that I knew personally, and I wrote emails, I sent letters, and I went and introduced myself to them. Asked, hey, I'm a young guy and I'm interested in working in the photographic industry, and I offered them a free day. I wouldn't, interfere or anything, but I would sit down with them and watch what they're doing, just to get my foot in the door. I got in touch with as many photographers that I knew through friends, family, and simply just introduced myself, saying, hi, my name's Dom, I'm a young, budding assistant looking to gain experience in the industry. And I asked them if it was possible for me to sit down on set with them and watch what they do, watch how they operate in the photographic industry. Now, I didn't get a lot of responses back, but for the few photographers who did reply, I offered them a free day, like I said, just to sit down and watch. And afterwards, I would ask a few questions, not to be too intrusive to them, but then slowly but surely, these photographers, they liked what I did and they offered me jobs. Now, the skills that I learned in those first couple of years really helped me get going within the industry. And I would watch and constantly be paying attention. And at the end of the day, I would ask questions, and I'd ask, how could I be better? What more could I do to be a better assistant? Now, a first assistant's kit is the lifeblood of any set. You need to make sure that no matter what problem comes up, you have a solution for it. In my kit, everything that I have comes from a mistake that I've made previously. Everything from not having spare AA batteries, or even an old skate T-tool, fishing line, and even a little hammer. Everything that is in here serves a purpose for me, the photographer, and anyone else on set. Having a kit is imperative for your career as an assistant. You need to make sure that you're ready to handle any situation when it comes up. Like having a spare hard drive. The amount of times that I've been on set and a photographer has forgotten their hard drives, you'd be surprised. I have spare chargers, so no matter what phone's on set, I've got the charger for it. Or when you're on location, always great to pack a portable phone charger. I like to have a speaker with me on set. Now, having music on set is a necessity. You need to make sure that you've got 8 or 9 playlists lasting 8 hours apiece, just to ensure that the vibe is going and the clients are happy. You might not think it, but a Sharpie is my most used piece of equipment. You need to be able to write down light readings, power levels, even the client's name. When on set, it's important to always look busy so that when the client sees you, they think he's doing a good job. Because remember, it's not the photographer paying you, it's the client.